Happy New Year! We're excited for winter on the farm again. So far it's been pretty mild compared to what we had last year. Check out the link below to see that craziness. The kids have been watching for snow every morning, and today I think we've got enough to hit the fields with Whitney. So we called up some friends and got the sleds warmed up. Todd and I have had this dream for years, to have a space and property where friends and family can come over all the time. We wanted to create an amazing place for our kids to grow up and make memories. This move and new life we're living here on the island has truly become a dream come true. Make sure to like and subscribe for more fun on the Little Farmette.